hope you're well. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making simple African food. I'll be making ugali and skuma and kidneys with mushrooms. Hope you'll enjoy. So cook with me. So I'll add a little bit of oil. That is enough. And here I'll be cooking the skumas, and here I'll be cooking the mushroom plus the kidney. So I'll wait for the onions to cook until they turn golden brown. Yeah, so let it burn. So as you can see, the onion has cooked, and I'll add my tomatoes with dania, yeah, for the skumas. Let them cook as I look at the other sufuria, still cooking. This is where I'm putting the liver, the kidney, sorry, plus the mushroom together. Have burnt. I'll now add the skuma, and by the way, this is skuma, spinach, celery, and managu. So I'll add as I stir. After they fit in well, I'll add some salt, just a little, then I can cover them. Then now the onions are ready on this other side. I'll add my greens. These are hohos and tomatoes. I'll add together with gourget, ginger, and some okra. So I'll fry it. I'll give them a few minutes so that they get ready, and we'll go to the next step. Since the skumas are almost ready, I've exchanged the pots, so I'll open it up and check them. I've not added any water they had a lot of water, and I think they're ready to eat now, because it's good to have skumas when they're not crunchy and they're not overcooked. So our skumas are ready. Let me just cover it and switch off. Then on the other side, the tomatoes are burning here. They are almost ready. So now they're ready. I can add the kidneys and the mushroom together. Yummy! So now I can put my spices, which is black pepper, just a little bit, and salt, and cayenne, just a little. So we give it time. I can't wait to taste. Looks so yummy. So our food is ready. I've not added any water. It had its own water, and just a few minutes and it's ready. Very simple. So we can cover it so that I can make ugali. So my water is ready, and I'll make normal ugali, and I always like adding some little oil on my ugali so that it becomes soft and sweeter. Yeah, let's do it. I add a little bit as I stir it slowly so that it becomes easy to make. Wow, this food is so tasty. Simple recipe and it's yummy. Please try this. Let me know how it tastes. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Mwah.